What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. I'm Deanna, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I install this wig on my head that I have here. It's super cute. I got this hair from Nadula. This is their 5x5 HD Lace Closure Wig. So it's a 5x5 closure, which means it only goes from like here to here, and then the rest of this is like a solid wig. So it's like this, and I absolutely love these because if you've watched my videos before, you know, like my hairline comes out pretty far on the side, so it's real hard for me to do like frontals and stuff. But these closures, perfect for me. So this particular wig that I have on is a body wave, and it's 24 inches. This is what it looks like. Now, in the video, I did crimp the hair with this thing right here. But I do show you what like the original hair pattern looks like in the video, but this is not like the original pattern. It's close. It's kind of like this, honestly, truly. It's just, you know, I needed to touch it up. So this is the box that I got from Nadula. Inside, they sent me this silk robe. So they sent a dust bag to go with the wig. They also sent this wig cap, which is like the transparent wig cap, you know, the ones that are like real sheer. What is this? I don't know what this is. It's like you see this? It's like a strip, and it has color. I absolutely do not know what the freak that is. What is this? And okay, so this says HD lace. So I guess this is like a lace sample that they sent. Let me see if we can focus. I don't know, child. It's a lace sample. I guess so you can see that it is HD lace. They also sent a wig band that looks like this. I got another wig band that I absolutely love. I love these. And another wig cap and some lashes that look like this. And a brush. So that is what came with the wig. Something that I want to mention about this wig though is that the wig is HD lace, and also it came with the knots already bleached. So I do show you that a little bit into the video, but like this whole part here, how it's colored, I didn't do that. The wig came like that, and I absolutely love that so much because that means less work for me. The only thing I did was pluck this little closure just a little bit, just so it can look just a little bit more natural or whatever. But yeah, so that's what this hair looks like. So if you're interested in seeing me install this hair and style it, you gotta keep on watching. So this is what the wig looks like fresh out of the box. You can kind of see what the wave pattern looks like. It's like a looser wave pattern, like a body wave, but I put crimps in it. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. As you can see, the lace here, this is bleached knots, and I was really surprised. But it was a pleasant surprise. So you can see the HD lace, and you can see that it's brown. I was going to bleach the knots again just because I'm extra, but I decided I didn't need to. So how it's installed is how it looks. It has the two clips at the back, the headband, as well as the clip at the bottom, and this lace at the back here. The hair itself is really soft. Like, I love the texture, and it's very silky. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So per usual, my hair is already slicked back and ready to go. I got these old braids that have been in my head for centuries. Don't ask how long. This is the wig cap that I'm using. It came with the wig. It's the clear wig cap. It's a closure wig, so you honestly don't need a wig cap, to be completely honest. You can do this look without it, but I just wanted to because I'm extra. So after the wig cap is dry, I'm just going to prep the cap by cutting off all of the excess cap. I only sprayed, you know, the spray across the front of my forehead. So that's the only lace that I really need to keep on there. I'm cutting everything off. Then I'm going to go through with my black opal makeup, of course, and color the wig cap. And also use my lace tint to color the lace. The knots are already bleached, so it's really not that necessary to color the lace. But again, I'm extra and like to do extra stuff. Alright, so after I have the wig on comfortably, I'm just taking a Q-tip and some water and cleaning my forehead because I have a whole bunch of excess makeup on there. And I'm about to apply my glue, and I need a clean hairline. This glue, of course, is the glue from Wig Dealer. It is my favorite. and the only glue that I have at the moment. But yeah, I'm just going to put a couple of dots across the front of the closure and rub it in and blow dry it. Now that the glue is dry and tacky, I'm just pulling the closure forward and using my comb to press the lace into the glue. And then I'm going to do the same process with my hot comb as well. And I also parted the closure across the front of the hairline part, because I'm going to take my Wig Bond spray and spray behind the hairline just to make it extra secure, and lay down the lace a little bit better. So now I'm just using my razor to cut off the lace in the front. I did go in with my scissors to cut off like the thick parts of the lace on the sides. My razor could have did it, but I just wanted to get like really, really close to the hairline so you can't see it. So that's why I'm using my scissors. And then I'm just going to take my free spray to spray it across the hairline to blend in the lace with my forehead. Since this is a closure install and not a frontal, I don't have to do anything crazy with my edges. I'm just going to do two simple like little edges like on each side just for the look. Like I just like to do edges or like baby hairs on my wigs, but if you don't, of course you don't have to. You can leave it plain, especially like with this type of wig. But yeah, so I'm just going to part out my edges, make sure it's thin enough, and then cut them and style them. And I'm using my, my Eco Gel per usual to swoop them into place. So to style the hair, I decided that I didn't want to like straighten it or curl it or anything. I just wanted to like enhance the original waves that were in the hair, but it was kind of loose. So I'm just using this crimper. I think this is like a Conair crimper. Probably got it from Walmart. And I'm just taking 1-inch sections and crimping it a little bit by little. I have a bigger crimper, but I felt like this one creates more of a deeper wave, whereas the bigger crimpers create like a looser wave. So I kind of wanted like a little deep wave here, so I'm just going to crimp the rest of my hair. So this is the overall finished look of the hair. It's really, really pretty. I'm really happy with how it came out. It took the curls really well, and the curls lasted pretty long, but I didn't have any issues with like tangling or shedding or anything at all with this hair. This is actually one of my new favorite closure wigs because the texture is really, really nice. But yeah, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching. Adios till next time.